What is up, Unicorn Gang and Glitter Goons? It is your favorite unicorn lady. I am back with another video. This video is going to be a mini tutorial on this look that I am currently wearing right now. And I will be using glitter from Glitter My World, and I will tell you guys more about this in the video. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look and how this glitter holds up, stay tuned. Okay, so Glitter My World is a glitter company, and I was watching their live one day and I was responding to them. So they picked me and a couple of other people, and they sent us this cute t-shirt and some glitter. So I currently am wearing Copper Rose, and this is, I think they're a sample. They're mini jars. Now they're mini jars. They are mini, but it is packed. Like, they put a lot in here. When I first opened it, it overflowed because there was so much in it. But I also got a white. It's called Arctic Frost. I also got an orange. It's like a burnt orange. It's called Rusty Penny. And it's pinkish / purple color. That is called Azalea. And I got a light blue in the color teal. And a royal purple, that is Rapunzel's Dream. Now all these glitters are chunky glitters, and I wanted to get into chunky glitter since I am like a pro with the other glitter. So I will put their link in the description box so you guys can check them out. Their prices are very, very affordable. But other than that, you guys can look at the tutorial on how I achieved this look. Don't forget to be majestic as fuck, stay majestic as fuck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I don't wanna be alone tonight. It's pretty clear that I'm not over you. I'm still thinking about the things you do. So I don't wanna be alone tonight, alone tonight, alone tonight. Can you? Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. Oh, somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, you're so that's strange. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, you're so that's strange. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, you're so that's strange. Look what you made me do. I don't wanna be alone tonight. It's pretty clear that I'm not over you. I'm still thinking about the things you do. So I don't wanna be alone tonight, alone tonight, alone tonight. Can you? Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, yeah, so that's strange. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, yeah, so that's strange. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, yeah, so that's strange.